Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Devina Fitri Awalia. My ID number 19240354 Information System. Here, I will present a material about computer. Enjoy listening. What is computer? A computer is an electronic device that processes data according to a set of instructions. It can store, retrieve, and process information efficiently, making it an essential tool in modern life. Basic function of computers: data input, receiving information from input device, processing, performing calculation, and operating the CPU. Storage, giving data or future use in memory or storage device. Output, presenting processed result through output device. Communication, sending and receiving data over network. Component of a computers. A computer's system consists of hardware and software. A. Hardware, physical component. Central Processing Unit, CPU, the brain of the computer responsible for processing instruction. Memory, RAM, temporary storage purpose, data access. Storage device, hard disk drive, HDD, solid state drive, SSD, and cloud storage. Input device, keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone. Output device, monitor, printer, and speakers. B. Software, program and application. Software is classified into system software, operating system like Windows, macOS, and Linux. Application software, programs such as Microsoft Word, Photoshop, and web browser. Next, types of computers. Different computers serve various purposes. Desktop computers, personal computers for work and gaming. Laptops, portable computers for flexibility. Tablets, touchscreen device for casual use. Servers, computers that manage network and database. Supercomputers, powerful machines used for scientific simulation. Next, how computers work. Computers operate using a binary system 0 and 1. The CPU executes instructions from software, interacting with memory and storage while sending output to device. Computer in everyday life. Computers are used in education, online learning, research, programming, business, data management, financial transaction, entertainment, gaming, movies, music, production, health, medical records, diagnostics, robotic surgery, communication, social media, emails, video calls. Next, future of computers. Computers continue to evolve with artificial intelligence, AI, enhancing automation and decision making. Quantum computing, high-speed problem solving. Edge computing, faster processing close to data source. Next, conclusion. Computers are a fundamental part of modern life, influencing introduced and personal activities. Their continuous development will shape the future of technology. That's all the computer's material presentation that I can deliver. I apologize if there are any mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Devina Awalia. My ID number 19240354 Information System. Here I will present material about software and operating system. Enjoy listening. What is software? Software is a set of programs used to operate computers and perform specific tasks. It consists of programming code that provides instruction to the computers. Main function of software: 1. Manage and process data. 2. Facilitate user interaction with the computers. And run various applications according to user need. Types of software. Software is divided into two main categories. A. System software. Software responsible for hardware, operation, and system management. Operating system, OS, Windows, macOS, Linux. Utility software, antivirus, backup tools, file management. B. Application software. Software used for specific tasks or activities. Productivity software, Microsoft Office, Google Docs. Design software, Adobe Photoshop, CorelDRAW. Multimedia software, VLC, Media Player, Adobe Premiere. Gaming software, PUBG and Minecraft. Next, what is operating system? An operating system is software that acts as an intermediary between computer's hardware and the user. It manages the computer's research, enabling other applications to run efficiently. Next, function of an operating system. Hardware management controls the CPU, RAM, and other devices. File management organizes, stores, and access data. Memory management allocates and optimizes RAM usage. System security protects against virus. User interaction provides a graphical user interface GUI or command line interface CLI. Types of operating system. Different operating systems exist for different devices. 1. Windows, a popular operating system for PCs and laptops. 2. macOS, Apple's exclusive operating system. Next, Linux, an open source operating system widely used for development and servers. Next, Android, operating system for mobile device. iOS, Apple operating system for iPhone and iPads. Next, component of an operating system. 1. Kernel, the core of the OS managing hardware and research. 2. User interface, GUI, graphical or CLI text-based. Drives, software that connect hardware drive to the OS. File system, organize and store files efficiently. Software and operating system in everyday life. 1. OS operates laptops, smartphones, tablets, and servers. Application softwares such as Microsoft Office enhances productivity. Security software like antivirus protect user data. The future of software and operating system. Cloud computing, web-based application without installation. AI and machine learning. OS becoming smarter in system management. Cybersecurity, increasing importance of data protection. Next, conclusion. Software and operating systems are essential part of modern technology. Their continuous development brings innovation that simplifies human activity.
A few moments later.
That's all the software and operating system material presentation that I can deliver. I apologize if there are any mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.